Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another Kappelle Outdoor video. And today it is a beautiful day here in Georgia. It's just really great weather. Can't really ask for much. But we're out here on the reservoir today. Gonna try to hit up some fish, try to catch some fish, cook some fish, and yeah, we're gonna do another little catch and cook. Well, last week Abby and I were up at Arabia Mountain, and we've seen the bass and bluegill on beds, so I'm thinking that's what's going to happen here. Hopefully the water's still a little bit cooler probably than what it is up at Arabia Mountain, but I don't know. We're still going to give it a shot and see what we can come up with. So I've been out here before, and I've seen some massive carp in here. There's one here in my area. I spooked it off earlier and blew a big massive cloud of dust on the bottom, but throw it around a Guggen 2.5-inch snacky swimmer. I'm seeing a bunch of these bait balls. Ooh, I got a fish. I want a fish. I want a fish. I want a fish on the light action rod. Oh. Oh, here we go. There we go. On a bass. Here we go. So I'm using there's a few more with it. I'm using my light action rod. This is a Falco. I think it's the Falco Evo Light. Yes, sir. Like right there in the corner of the mouth. But nice little bass. A plus size, nice one. Gonna let them go. Beautiful fish. But yeah, I'll show y'all what I'm throwing here now that I'm not distracted. So, like I said, throwing these 2.5-inch snacky swimmers by Guggen, and I got it on like a little jig head. I'm not really sure. I think it's like a 1/8 or 3/16 ounce jig head. Like I said, they're hitting these bait balls of little fish, so that's what I'm using on a light action rod. We got on another one, guys. Nice little small one. Not bad. Let's say probably about 10 inches or so. Maybe 10.5. Beautiful fish, spotted bass. Gonna let him go. Oh, got on another one, guys. Oh, he spit the hook out. Dang. No, on a fish, guys, on a fish. Oh, he got off. Man, what's going on? I keep losing fish. I mean, the hook is sharp, but I just keep losing them. It's like the third one I've lost. It's like they're not really biting hard, they're just like a subtle bite. Well guys, I don't really think it matters of the quantity. I just think it matters of the size. But just want you to take a look at this stud right here. This thing is massive. Hold on, let me long arm it right here. Long arm it so it looks a whole lot bigger. Nice little spotted bass. I don't know if y'all will be able to see the clarity or not, but you can definitely see the bottom here. This is probably, what, 10 foot deep at least? Guys, I don't know if y'all can see that up there, but there's a carp breaching the top of the surface up there. Guys, there are two massive carp right here. They're crossing over my line. I've seen some, so I've been trying to target some big shell crackers, like big bluegills. And I fished like almost half of one side of the reservoir. But when I came over here in this cove area, it's just when I found a little school of them, but I don't know where they went off to yet. I got distracted by these carp just swimming around. I don't know if y'all can see, but there's just fish everywhere. Bluegill everywhere. Shell crackers everywhere. And the one thing I didn't bring was worms. So, gotta love that. Oh, this carp just busting over there too. Man, look at the size of these shell crackers, man. I gotta see if I got anything in here that they're gonna eat on. Because they don't want the crawl, I guess, too big. I don't even know if they're in a frenzy mood. I think they're just coming up here just to enjoy the warmer waters. And I got this spotted bass right here in front of me. He just swimming around in the area. Alright guys, so I put the camera in the water here. I just wanted y'all to see how many bluegill and shell cracker are in here. As you can see, they're just everywhere. And then as I get a little bit closer, you can see kind of like in the bottom right hand corner that these shell crackers or bluegills, they're on beds. So when I quickly realized that, I kind of put the kayak in reverse, and yeah, we're just gonna try to see if we can't catch them. Oh, got one. Got one. My God, look at the size of this thing. Oh, dang, got off the hook. I think it was barely hooked. And it goes to show you, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. I spent the next probably 30, 45, even an hour throwing everything I can to try to catch some of these shell crackers here. But hope you enjoy the underwater footage. You get to see how many they are. There's probably at least like 3 dozen just in that one area that I was in, and they're all good keeper size too. So, but you know, what can you do about it? Just a learning experience, and hopefully they'll be there next time for me. Well guys, we made it back home. Unfortunately, we failed at the catch and cook. With that being said, we caught some fish, but we didn't catch fish worth enough keeping. So if I would have caught a few of those on bed, then we definitely would have secured that. But man, those things were just massive. I hope the underwater footage came out really good for y'all. I hope you enjoyed it just as much as I enjoyed making it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to check out the rest of my channel, and I'll see you on the next one.